This is the policy maintenance cost control agent. Maintenance costs do not usually rise because of one major failure. They increase gradually when policy updates remain unresolved, task bounce between teams, and repeating services creates unnecessary rework. This shows and identifies execution risk early, escalates stalled work in real time, and help operations teams intervene before maintenance costs escalate. Let us walk through the agent now. Here, the agent evaluates incoming active maintenance tasks using operational execution signals such as task age, repeating service history, stalled updates, and accumulating handling costs. The agent immediately flags risk cases like MT005 and MT003 because they show multiple warning indicators, including excessive repeat servicing, long operation duration, and no recent execution moment. Instead of allowing this task to quietly enter the backlog, the system prioritizes them for escalation and immediate operational attention before rework and financial export continue to grow. Now, the agent shifts from intake monitoring to live execution oversight. It identifies maintenance case where work has high effectively stalled, meaning ownership movement has stopped while operational costs still continuously increasing. In this, we can see both MT005 and 009 are escalated because execution has remained inactive for more than a week while repeat servicing cost expo continues rising. The agent not only highlights the operational risk but also recommended specific next actions such as reassignment, escalation to supervisor, and root cause review to prevent recurring maintenance issues. This agent is designed to improve operational execution before maintenance outcomes deteriorate.